Hello everyone, welcome back to Preetham's Code Journal. In this video, we'll focus on the list data type. We have done the numerical data types and the string data type in the previous video. And if you haven't watched that video, then I have pasted the link inside the description. You can go watch that video. Okay, so let us start the list part. We will focus on the tuple and dictionary in the next videos. Before moving forward, let us have an introduction of the list. Well, list and tuples are the same types, but they only have one difference, that list can be changed or modified, but the tuples cannot be changed or modified, which makes tuples immutable and list as mutable. Okay, so let us start with the list. List is written in square brackets, tuples is in normal, that is round brackets, and the sets are written in the curly brackets. Okay, so here is one example of list. So here we have a equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and we have printed this list, so we got the complete list as the output. Okay, so we can change in list because we already discussed that it is a mutable, means it can be changed or modified. Okay, so we can change values in list. So let us change for the first position, that is for the index 0. So a of 0, let us say the value should be 10. Okay, so let us run it again. So we have the first index value as 10 now. Let us update it again. We had the last elements index as 4. So a of 4 equals to, let us say, 50. So let us see the output. So now in the output, the fourth index value has changed from 5 to 50. Okay, so let us just make a square bracket over here so that it would be easier to summarize afterwards. Okay, so what's the key point in list? That it is a mutable thing, that we can change or modify it, and second, that it is shown in square brackets. Okay, so that's all for the list part. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you found the video informative, then do like the video, comment down below, and share it with your friends who wanna learn Python. We will see you in the next video. Till then, study more, worry less, and bye bye.